next question is going to be simple. The resonance frequency of the first circuits, they have given us 1 by 2 pi kilohertz. Okay. So what we are saying means they have asked the resonance frequency of the second circuit. That means for figure 2. And the first one for the resonance frequency, we have that omega naught, that resonance frequency, which is equal to 1 divided by root LC. Okay, and the unit is about radians per second. So you know that formula omega is equal to 2 pi f. Is that right? So f is equal to omega naught divided by 2 pi. Is that right? So you have to make this omega naught divided by 2 pi. Is that right? So automatically, which implies f naught is equal to what do you have? 1 by 2 pi. Because f means what? With the omega, you have to make a multiplication of 1 by 2 pi or division of 2 pi into root LC. So f means the unit is hertz. Is that right? I go for calculation. Take the case number 1. What's the case number 1? Means take the figure. Okay, take the first figure. The first figure, what we have, you'll be having a small resistor, and then two ports are available. Like this resistor is from 100 ohm, and there you have the L is available inductor, and then you have the capacitor is available. Is that right? And from this, what you have, the resonance frequency is given. So you have to take f naught is equal to 1 divided by 2 pi root LC. They have given us 1 by 2 pi. Is that right? So it is equal to 1 by 2 pi hertz. So I can cancel 1 by 2 pi, 1 by 2 pi. So automatically f naught is equal to 1 divided by root LC. Okay, 1 divided by root LC. That is equal to what? So what that is equal to, so this is kilohertz, right? It is equal to 1 kilohertz, and which is also equal to what? 1000 hertz, right? So 1 by root LC is equal to 1000 hertz. That's right. And now we go for the case number 2. Okay, so leave it off. Then I will go for the case number 2. Okay, what's the case number 2 say? Means we have to take the next diagram. So take the next diagram, and here we have to take care of the resistor, and two terminals available, 100 ohm, and then we have to make it as a. So just draw the complete diagram here, and then next we have to make this. So what do you have with the 2L or in a series, parallel series, right? Let me draw this one. So just draw the 1L, and then we just draw the another L here. So this is of L, and this is of L of some other value. But we don't want to just name this L1, L2. Whatever they given the figure, just draw. Okay. And then you have the two capacitor in series. You know that two capacitor in series means what? You have to make an inverse of each every capacitor. Don't forget that. Okay. So you take L equivalent. L equivalent means what? Both are in parallel, right? So 1 divided by L plus 1 divided by L. You know that H is the Tesla. That's equal to 1 by 2L. Is it right? 1 by 2L. No issues, no problem. So automatically, what is the next one? N by 12. Sorry. That means what? L equivalent is equal to L divided by 2H. Okay. L divided by 2H, but it is not the right one. So this is 1 by 2. Okay. Don't forget L is equal to L by 2H. That's all. Then C equivalent is equal to. So you know that two things are available. 1 by C plus 1 by C. So it is inverse, and you have to make it as C divided by 2. F, that is perfectly available. So don't make it a confusion. You have to write 1 by C equivalent. So here also 1 by L equivalent. So then it's equal to, you will get a 2 by L. Okay, here if it is 0 means don't forget it's a 2 by L. So this will be 2 by C. So when you write L equivalent means it is inverse. So here 2 by L means it will be L by 2. And here if you go for C equivalent means it is inverse. 2 by C means it is C divided by 2. Okay, that's all. Then automatically what you have when you go for the next one, then I come for the next calculation. Okay, so this is going to be the final calculation. So I just write a final calculation. What you have, omega naught, which is because omega naught you have to find for the next circuit, etc. Omega naught is equal to 1 divided by root of L equivalent C equivalent, etc. That's equal to root of 1. So 1 divided by, etc. 1 divided by root of L by 2. So L equivalent means L by 2, C equivalent means C by 2. So that is equal to what you have. You have 2 divided by, because 2 into 2 is 4, is it right? And then a root of 4, it is 2. 2 will come over the top. So 2 divided by root LC. Is it right? Omega naught is equal to 2 divided by root LC. Then I just take it over here. Okay, sorry for making confusions over here. Omega naught is equal to 2 divided by root LC. We have to find the omega naught, etc. Right? So you know that 1 by root LC is equal to 1000. 1 by root LC is 1000, etc. So automatically you can write it as 1 2 into 1 divided by root LC. That's equal to 2 into 1000, which is equal to 2000 radians per second. Okay. So automatically you get the answer will be 2000 radians per second. That's all. Thank you. Thank you very much. For any doubts, comment in the comment box. Okay. Sorry for the disturbing you by writing in different way. Okay. Thank you.